Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing this beautiful morning? Pretty good, I hope, as I am making my way from DUMBO back to Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I'm the only person who is eager to get anywhere. Everybody else is taking their sweet time, and or perhaps they are looking out for the suspensions of their cars. Don't want to fuck up the shocks and the struts and whatnot. I don't fucking know. Nobody knows. But long story short, it is Friday. It's the end of the workday, and I'm going back home. And my German buddy Jens, who I've ridden with a couple times, he's actually one of my subscribers from many years ago, and I met him in real life after he came from Germany to New York to visit. So that's pretty cool. So I'm hanging out with him today, and that's gonna be it's gonna be a good time. We're just gonna drink some beers and catch up. Haven't seen him in a minute or two. And also DJ Motovlogs is coming through, so that's gonna be another cool buddy. So it's gonna be like a little motorcycle hang slash Grand Tour viewing, which is the show that I'm a fan of. And that's that. And then I think after that we're gonna go to Dirty Billy and say hello. We shall see. We shall see how that all crumbles. But the most important part is that it's Friday, and I just want to say happy Friday to everyone. And most importantly, I had a very accomplished day. I really got a lot of shit done. I've really accomplished a lot. This morning when I recorded a vlog, I actually was talking about how I really wanna have a good day. All right. Tires are really cold, so I might as well just calm the flick down and not try to corner like Rossi on the cold ass tires. Nice little burnout. I do like it. Always good to fucking hit a little bit of speed right after work. And then we're slowing down for no reason at all, other than people going speed limit, I guess. Savages. Why would anybody go speed limit is beyond me. Why would anybody go speed limit is beyond me. Sometimes I say shit and I'm wondering if I'm nuts. Ooh, it's bumpy here, but it's all good. Nice. A freaking zoom zip zip. It's a little zoom zip zip today. I don't mind it at all. Quick little ride. Not much time to do any sort of vlogging because you know, of the assholing. Assholing. Not assholing, but ass-hauling. Like hauling ass, get it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you get it by now. I repeated it 9 separate times. Oh man, it's cold, but I didn't even get a chance to get cold. I think I'll just go to the right, because I gotta go to the right anyway. And this truck is getting off to the right as well, so that's cool. Gotta respect that. Beautiful little Brooklyn afternoon. Quick little vlog. This is the essence of the vlog because it's a daily video log of my activities, and this afternoon's activity was rather easy and passive, not too stressful. I like it. I do like it. Well, this person why would these people pull over when it's 3 lanes, you silly monkeys? Yep. Now I'm the first one. Toot, 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 toot. It's all good. It's all good. Look at this nonsense. Look at these nonsense. And this is good. I'm not gonna get too much farther ahead. This is good enough. Not a complete savage now. I have moral fibers. Yeah, boy. Beautiful day. I'm really glad that I rode this morning because right about now I could have been waiting for the damn train, still back in freaking Dumbo. That's the issue. It takes me like an hour to get back. So sometimes it's totally worth it to freeze your ass off a little bit. But that's my rule. As long as it's above, what is it, 24 degrees, I'm riding. And this morning it was 26, so loophole. Loophole. And now we're stuck behind this truck. For the love of sweet succulency, please go. Come on, boy. You got it. Anywho, guys, I think I'm gonna say goodbyes now. This is it. This was a fun little ride. Thank you for coming along as I zip, zoop, zapped the BQE. Later.